Retinol is the most recommended ingredient in anti-aging skincare, but for those of us in perimenopause and menopause, it might actually be making your skin worse. Today, I'm going to explain why and tell you about the botanical alternative that I've been using that gives you the same result without the irritation. Retinol works by accelerating cell turnover and stimulating that collagen production. And in theory, that sounds great for aging skin, but in practice, it comes with significant downsides, especially for those that are shifting and going through perimenopause. Retinol causes photosensitivity, it causes redness, purging, peeling, and so it thins that skin barrier over time. And here's the problem: perimenopausal and menopausal skin are already barrier compromised, already reactive, already sensitive. Adding something like that further strips and irritates is a recipe for a damaged barrier and a frustrated, unhappy client. I saw this constantly in my years as an esthetician in the treatment room. Women following advice from dermatologists or skincare influencers using retinol, and their skin was getting even angrier. Bakuchiol is a plant-derived compound that's extracted from an actual plant. It's been studied for its ability to support collagen and reduce the appearance of fine lines, but it's through a different mechanism than retinol, and it's without the irritation, which is my favorite part. A key study published in the British Journal of Dermatology compared bakuchiol and retinol side by side, and they found comparable improvements in fine lines and wrinkles, with significantly less side effects in the bakuchiol group. And for perimenopausal and menopausal skin, this is really significant. You get the collagen support, you get to target those fine lines and wrinkles, but you don't get that irritation. You get to skip the barrier damage, which is what we're trying to control and repair. So with collagen support, bakuchiol matches retinol. Irritation, retinol is high, bakuchiol is very minimal, if any. Barrier impact, retinol thins the barrier over time, bakuchiol supports it. Safe for sensitive skin, retinol is not, bakuchiol is. Pregnancy safe, retinol is a no-go. Bakuchiol can be used when you're pregnant. Of course, consult with your doctor. I'm not a doctor, but yes, you can typically use bakuchiol during pregnancy. And bakuchiol really works with your botanical routines. So if you're looking for a more natural approach to skincare, that doesn't mean that you're wanting to say no to results. It just means you want a natural way that's improving your skin without the synthetics, without the toxins, without the fragrances. This is a more aligned approach using the bakuchiol rather than the retinol. I formulated my Renew serum specifically with bakuchiol because of this. I wanted a natural retinol alternative that worked really well, that got your skin results, but you didn't see all of that irritation. And so that's what Renew does. You can purchase it alone, or it's in my Skin Reset collection, which is a full botanical skincare line. It's 4 products. It's easy to use. If you're looking for a more natural alternative to help with those fine lines and wrinkles, to help with the sun damage, this is the one you want to try. You can apply the Renew serum after your dew mist. So it's a hydrating mist, and so it helps your products absorb better. So I definitely recommend spraying the mist and then applying the Renew. But if you want to use it morning and night, you can, because it's not photosensitive. Of course, I recommend wearing sunscreen, but it's not like retinol where you only use that typically at nighttime. In 4 to 6 weeks, you'll notice a more healed, supported barrier. You'll notice those fine lines start to disappear. So if you've been on retinol and you're struggling through perimenopause and menopausal skin, your skin's reactive, red, or it's just not happy, give bakuchiol a try. It's a perfect alternative. You still get the results without the irritation. Renew is linked in the description below, along with the Skin Reset collection. Go and check it out. See what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm a licensed esthetician of over 13 years, and I'd be happy to help you. Subscribe for more ingredient education. This is what I love to do and talk about. And comment below. Have you tried bakuchiol? I would love to know if you've tried it. I would love to hear your experience. And if you've not, go and grab yours. I'll see you next time.